Good morning, student. Let's learn how to appear the exam in different languages. Suppose you are going to appear the exam in Odia language or in Hindi language. What we have to do? First, the teacher will send the link through the WhatsApp. Yes or no? So you open the link, whatever the teacher has sent. Then what you have to do? You have to go. Okay, suppose you have written your name. Suppose I am writing my name. Okay, then I have entered my mobile number. Okay, then I have click next. Okay, then all the question will come. Yes or no? Like this, all the question will come. Suppose there is a Hindi or Odia question is there. How you will appear the Hindi or Odia question? Let me tell you. Okay, how to appear Hindi or Odia question. Some settings need to be there. Okay, I will tell you how to install the Google keyboard here. Okay, so what you have to do, just click on your answer, then you can see the keyboard is there, then long press on the tab keyboard. Okay, the long big key. Okay, click here. See, you can see there different languages are there. I have already chosen English US language, English India, Odia India, then Hindi India. Okay, so if you have not these languages on your mobile phone, then what you have to do, go to language setting. Okay, click on language setting. You can see these languages are installed on your mobile. Okay, so if you don't have any in Odia or Hindi language, then go to add keyboard. Okay, then go to add keyboard, click on add keyboard. Then you can see lot of languages are there. Yes or no? There are a lot of languages are there. English, Hindi, Odia, Telugu, Latin, Bangla, Marathi, Tamil, Gujarati, Kannada, Malayalam, Telugu, Punjabi, lot of languages are. But we need Hindi and Odia. So click on any languages which you want to appear. Suppose you want to appear Hindi languages and Odia language. Click on that. Okay. Then the languages will come here. Okay, after that what you have to do, just back it, then just press it and hold it. Okay, the big key. Okay, then choose the Odia languages. Then you have to type in English. Suppose my name is Bithu, I will type my name Bidhu. See, I am typing in what, in English, but the answer will come in Odia. Okay. Then suppose I want to type my language in English and English, then I will come back and click here, choose my language. See what is happen. You can see I can type in English. Then suppose I want to type in Hindi, and again click here. Then I will change my language Hindi. So Bidhu. See, my language is selected Vidhu. Okay. Understood how you will appear the exam? You will type in English, but this can be seen in Hindi, English as well as Odia. Okay. Understood or not? So in this way you can appear the exam. Thank you. If you have any doubt, you can call me. Okay.